friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned accounts on Google Maps. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Google Maps and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.